Osteoporosis is the single most important health hazard for women past menopause. Aging is the main cause of osteoporosis. Women may be unaware that they may even have it in the early stage of aging because you don't have obvious symptoms. So when the body now is deprived of the effects of estrogen after menopause, the rate of bone loss becomes more rapid, and you can lose as much as 7 to 10% bone mass in a year. So by the time you reach 80, you could lose as much as 40% of your bone mass. Osteoporosis, ganyan ang mangyayari pag may osteoporosis na. Parang humihina na. You become porotic. The bones become porous. That is because of your low estrogen levels, your decreased calcium absorption, you lose bone mass, so the bones become brittle and porous, and aging is the main cause. So I did mention by the time you are 80, you can lose as much as 40%.